Nana poku Listowel Adorye. Neighborku, Machin Ra.
Yeah.
So we have a call there. You didn't go now, Ivan, we are not Listowel so.
Yeah, see, some of these unions, there are more of political entities. They are representing different interests. That interest, crying your members. And especially negotiation with government and as for some more country or near my those negotiations so those people are not even representing the interest of commuters and other drivers. It's a political tool or mono and the same as the various trade union association and various groups in a so for me I think the government will have to take a decisive action going forward. What is the short term, the long term, and then the medium term goal for us so far as decongest Accra, because whether said the situation is that people will be moving in, government cannot do anything about it. So the best way, they say, find a way to decongest, and we should be looking at the options. If rail is feasible within Accra, extended to Tamale and Kumasi within Accra, how do we do it? And several other means of providing buses and then as a form. And very often, I don't understand why I said that Nayesika said. These cars now buying the babano, and they say about one person to make a talk out, but you use their top bear trade and as a form. Say when it comes to supervision regulation and the mindset of the Ghanaians, and they are buying the and you'll be out yet because I know the day say Obifa buying security, you'll be say buying there is no punitive consequences. I have seen government cars on weekends, Obi the girlfriend, ne damu near ma, Obakwanam partner fridge, then as a fogu, a buying car to ambulance. Yeah, they call Obi the ambulance. And then as a forum, and the sad aspect is a police forge in a quine where they see these things. And I don't know, so what for Batuna, total filling station, quine, so would do a beer co bank one traffic at the beer traffic light, traffic or got traffic light and I say, and I bar stop. Ain't it? I didn't saw green said Wayne corner. Now we never be crying a wafa, but police forge in a hot, they just want somebody to cross the red light. Now you need a chinko this guy. So the mindset of this country is second, and you understand. So I think we need a reset, not some discipline. Be a reset. No, the reset need to be forceful because you see sometimes I know there be a mekasa oko mind be no mind be ya. It's about the mindset of the people. Drive a new book careful no adru baby your friend say you almost U10 or now what Gina baby obi bu U10 na. Obefano e ho na wa pake no tutu say adwen independent say adwen we no yemfa mu mind because a mindset of the people then about driving or mind growth na say nipa no mo mind do na don't show say adwen be ya mind be that move. So for me I think that it will require decisive action. Our government will have to make sure and various institutions very often ya kasa ansem we nyina ye pia kogu government aboboa no but you see the institution agencies in as for no police for no MTTD for no as for no kwan ho no aduma be no mo ye you are the representative of the government ensuring that some of these things will work. Some of these police people some of these drivers are more charged fare over then as for they are aware then as for but kwan no mugina so no or no the daily bread no odwene ho me kwa task force na ye omote no me ninju because Ivan okogina ho a sika no wojije bia kofi yes negotiation when you cross out the motor the wachi and those kind of so I think that we need to take some of these things now you contest buying passes now providing making sure say agency to agency GBC for or bus a drone or pa a far workers in United general manager if you provide that convenient means of way that I think it will ease the traffic to a certain extent that we consider the run around trip and a road so I think Accra would need a ring road. Yes, a ring road will help. I bet cycle Accra maybe 2 times. I don't know. So we use that ring road now. I give you access to anywhere in Accra. These are some of the options that we need to. Now there be a quite fair way. So
to what you have just said about the government agencies. No? And I can't say the thinking problem. I don't think that I allow or bigger them say metro machine no multi passengers in there. No, the government workers were there. These are government agencies. Why didn't they have a negotiation? Second, the card and the before are bars now. Government agencies in the only 4 to 5, you know. Now or more pong ministries. They are so time say Obawa. Ubelodi no the omoko ubelodi no or the card depend a bit no be and physical cash no be can say sikana fa baby until almost payment system ni money at okay it is a thinking problem.
You didn't come out the fire transport system issue sir ha Ghana for obi pon adwuma gina bonten be 2 hours or kwadwuma traffic or pon traffic ni sika kura ekuta no or Fadra Achimota, the Akaya Legiota, this one ante to Asukofie.
I'm a man for Kunya for Minuanum, Emranti Minua, and almost Sinkunya, Edwin John Man. I'm a more about so new Jumason. That's it. So how much sorry, and yet easy. You see much a record retirement. Okay. But Nana, Bibini, your own enemy.
Townful.
Bibini, your one townful. Onipa Bibini say, so share if your body and shall see a pina. Sankawu Tnasipa na Wabusa won't say, dear Pani Hawa, ye how ye bakupe. Ye a townful. Na so share if you Nkrumah pencil, your independence, and your transport. And what be here say all three transport means, or means of transport, you focus on making sure say you be ma railway aye juma. You be ma your friend is road transport, cars. I konyabe di aye juma na fi ya hwe wiemoshen so. Ensure kra de ya adwene shedan ko hoda sanse ensure no odi be free hin na de abahin nti eho no ya adwene shedan ko ho, even though I know say in the past no na ensure na ewo akosombo ho no na yesem se ferry bi wo so a eno minim say na eye from the one island to the island another island, and I say no minim say no mutimi community to a very long distance and I don't know about that, but I can research about it and then we can discuss the other your friend is saying water transport and you know. But you must say I keep maintaining say citizen be any no more who join per man I want you the ope. And until afraid bibi emra. Emrano and create a leadership. I was say or no a regulator. Until from Oman Penino, or no names I want to mean regulator or transport in China where you will be a friend of transport minister. That's how called transport minister. See the current transport minister or Nedumano Eso channel. And only any competent deputy.
Oh, how?
No, when you're competent.
Oh, but how?
Please, I can. I'm not here to speak your mind. How no will tell, and yet your friend is saying social media say wafa wo ho na ye de camera si uso na chese or your transport deputy. Chese transport ministry na wo sa no. We are talking about your friend is saying airport adwuma, aviation, We are talking about maritime. We are talking about your friend is saying road transport.
Road transport.
We are talking about railway. All under one transport ministry. Under the able leadership of Bukari Nipe. And the Bukari Namha, who got the office?
Say you man in your office.
And you run in your office, no, the deputy way. Oh, man, I am a blunt. Look, when it comes to Nejuma as MP, I don't have any question. I don't have any doubt. I don't fear telling people their incompetence. I don't fear it because I must let them know that their incapacity or incapable nature no affecting me. I don't tell calling for her reshuffle. Because Bukari and Namha was so far away, or Kwaku aviation Juma, Adiachi or Sour Maritime, Adiachi on one shippers, Adiachi on one. Why?
Now, one man deputy Juma, who said,
one man deputy Juma.
We are talking about transport.
Obia, we only have four. And Yama Juma.
Balisto, Mammy Mount, example. Mammy Mount, example.
Photoshop. Oh, Sadia Net2 TV. And we been a damn party baby. This is why IGP Papa. Oh, now coffee broke man, one or two coffee broke man. Oh, with IGP, I mean, I'm going to coffee broke man or the other down. Never Nipe, neither come Nippon, ever squad ever Botiano. Oh, be a humbi, IGP, I say, oh, Gugu and say IGP Papa Power Ghana, Yabebo Dampare. And so I don't know how this Ghana Police Service. Oh, yes. To the extent that the morale of the Ghana Police Service was down to the needs of what? Police for they will tell you. ono ya IGP ono ya regional commander ono ya district commander ono ya friend is saying back no mo friend is saying divisional commander ono ya PRO Kweku Annan se ono ya car loading no ono ya driver no ya mate no asa gigi ni sika we no asa siu osa ya passenger.
Okay, back to the topic.
Back to the topic. Sabia na ye the Cartoon Network elder than kwala ni yo Tom and Jerry now I say now we almost Awumia na kwala na hu sam makwako chinchin meto mi gina camera mu makwa kate so eni anu na ye minister adwuma ne say ube make sure say boy policies are ye adwuma no ube ko hu no akoye hu adwuma. I'm condemning it because nipa Akufo sense nyame ani kata. That ministry in the X1 regime was having about 3 ministers. Yeah. You were railway minister, you were your friend is saying aviation, and yes, our road transport. Yeah. And as I say, I can't even know one ministry. Now, Kona Bukari in the paper now who na saw or parliament. Ubeko so meeting wa the deputies would be a I'm talking not. Look, there are details I can't express. And it is to her own benefit. I don't think I'm so penny on free hall. It's a very serious ministry. You don't need to put for the Koto baby. Yeah, you crowd your tourism, no to near ready. For the Koto tourism. May padia tourism. And yet this ministry here say about boy home modern Debbie, I'm condemning her because she has not proven herself worthy of that ministry. Onye adwuma bia ukọ ministry on na wa fa o cameras ko busa ministry workers say how do you see her competence? Opa assignment. Can you bet no one
ministry minister na assign a deputy.
Enye tio. Me say wo kwadwofo ne ma na adwuma na na ma. Wo ba no. Na wo nim adwuma wo ba ye nti wo ba wo boa wo ho na wo ba adwuma. Meboa. Na wo bedru hanum na o manager afreo. Na na ma na okwa akasei. Okwa akasei. Ne chese wo ye okwadwowa. Okwadwowa ne ma na adwuma. Wo a wo nim enti na ese wo nim adwuma wo suro broni. Dey wo hear any trips. Now we call trips. I was as I bloggers say, we need to trips at the expense of me taxpayers' money. What do you mean? I don't want to be very detailed. I don't think I made a concourse saying Yari Keke. I don't want to make her a subject because I can make it. Same with other ministries. What we decide to do to say, Monsieur Pamano. Oh, if you yes, or you're incompetent, go ministry on a cotier, go agencies, necotier. No funny go to labor ministry one or parliament go strike 1,000 times a year. They're funny.
But is that the right?
Only pain, and I will be detailed. And then you can transport us. I will go there. Now, Busa won't say one minister or share aviation or her maritime or her shippers or share your friend is a road. And then you quack of buses about. Shaba institutions are what I want to say STCO, Metro Maso, more buses in your manual. How much I know more town as a Lolo buses name a friend is a Metro Mass Transit buses are hold
25,000
not bus say. Now town is scrap
$1,000 no more than 20.
What town is scrap now a scrap now so they call your friend is saying ferro fabric. Akoto say we say scrap adwuma de na mayi bi ferro fabric na akoto bus back wa unim ska benya no what ton bus we say bus no aye condemn meanwhile that same bus no ton ma omo no police ni bi madam for police ni bi okoto obi a and the X1 regime no unim say but the bus na si kwan so unim ade ana say yes say ne wires no enkura ko she mu no omo we wires no enti omo ye rewiring of the bus no tail light and then so no say aso engineer adwuma.
Okay, you know for no see mama.
Yeah ho enemies.
Okay.
Asana bibini ebedwe se minua ejina kwan nchen me kwa akofa no. Say bus ne ho akwatwe cars ni krom. Enti ma memfa ni nsi one junction. Me wi amasada ne me ho asa apai na msada na kodu another junction no. Say aban e the regulations bi to akwan mu a ebeboa. Na fe nso so no sa private sector na omo wo mu ya omo ye omo adwuma no e wo se aban timi twa bo ma omo sabi ukọ yen neighboring countries ya omo the time na ye bibia and at time no say traffic ba omo pause no ukọ Cote d'Ivoire say odina traffic ma pause no o move a na wa say mia na ekọ enti traffic ne nka ho traffic ne nifu ani shigu because wona wotimu no wonim say enya wona akoso traffic no
okay
enti no ye kan ni e ka say a road minister adwuma a multifaceted what must say I was say abani who say some of these things are national security oriented
okay
international security no must be part of the arrangement where omaya yen for your national security seriously no and no na sa nioma we enti no minister ne te ho a ono ade na adwene e na ono ibu nkonta. It was a national security ministry, and I said, Minister New Okrampa, the national security coordinator, and I was so timing who said, no, I did away your mouth for how, and security wise, and
national security issue.
And I was saying, this class say at the national security level, near Prime Minister, say, Minister, these are what we think can help. So, the minister, and so very conscious, said, no, I did away, no, I was saying, say, yes, Akufo Addo Sunya Mieni Kata, and ministry be a part of it. Your friend is saying, "Uko transport BMA." As I said, I was any energy ekasa. Driver 4 times super petrol once and papa nancy I can once and on my penny am a 2 CD on diesel.
Yeah.
I family quiet say driver from Franco back on home. Yatiase. Nemuno. Busa say a dear Nebema Gan and you so I wiki towards on one in Nia. Spare parts boy is saying, and you will your man or porter, the boy is saying, and yet petrol.
Okay.
So all these things, a buy must take cognizance of it and make sure, say, or yeah, Jumana, or no, in a multifaceted approach, and ya ad hoc, say, and sorry, may I buy. Matisse petrol work or soon to Matisse there be. And was about me your projections sometimes, and you maybe to me, but boom to say, there, and Tokoya Bay. Ama say US for Mososone Iran front okwe ama petrol bo akoso at the highest level being see day ni na at me ba but we are buyer we are proactive now we are reactive. You must be thinking into the future, making sure say baby an unforeseeable thing you bet me abano over so ano na dan na ni driver ni so no
I'm also managing director at Atemoye, former managing director at Atemoye Refinery, Asante Bediatuo issue na abano about bribery ruling yakoso USA. Yes, say all train so betimi akodam up to 30 years. Ni nyina na say obeye entem ginafo Edema sa Turkish firm company AXA Energy somewhere 2024 eba any government of Ghana negotiations a course so na bribery allegations are de ebo no say government officials be minister be womu president relative be womu committee of parliament members ministry ho no mo no kofetu eskademo omo OSP officer say oboa FBI Yoko first one must Attorney General from who say Deputy AG actually be in X. Yeah, woman you now say Omani dear Chiro do make me their farm. But the question is say OSP say why and omutimi hear that investigation no dia. Meaning say they have enough evidence against the so-called government officials this bribery scandal omuye involved.
Yes, they did come and sign and Kase Animguase. So very often when Ghana appear in some of these international scandals and put to us in a good shape, especially at the time Ghana be so dirty in the eyes of the American judiciary in terms of this friends fraud, romance scam, and whole lot of activities attending Ghana your reputation when it comes to some of these things, not issues where coming up. I think that's really embarrassing. And I took my time to read through the 29-page indictment winner, the fence saying, or more prepare and going through now things that is really shocking. But they are revealing how porous and how corrupt your system is here. So every facet be a behu in our entire political system. No, but I said tokro the dama to the sense that okasa it makes it so easy.
Okay.
Because Abranta here can assembly according to we know here Jumama sa financial institution within the indictment and they didn't want to mention by
investment bank.
Yeah, and sa oya Jumama sa company na a Turkish company, no, a client to the American financial firm. Almost even 16% interest. So when they decided, say they want to, come to Ghana, now obviously the Ghanaian we became very handy and negotiations in the shots here just to ensure say you better build the power plant to her and then you pay 80% bro for 20%. You build the power plant in Ghana has say you build the power plant in Ghana and to quite a fast way emergency approval no and no and an abrante no edi hu juma or facilitating as for you be a home consulting firm or consulting firm 1 consulting firm 2 and then as for but they American first firm no was to pre-finance the Turkish company now all man I think $190 million now was someone else's first a letter of credit somewhere around $75,000 almost yes we are later no they will get 10 million on it and the else's no 1 million so it was a good investment for the American company no but behind the scenes you know some of these things deals nana air koswa I know the day no I blow in the face of Obia and about what kind of documents and they deliberately protected the identities of various individuals involved because the NTS say why might constitute a crime in America under their provisions so might not be a crime here. So when you're careful now could name Obia you also may be liable in a whole lot of stuff. And it's our kind when our culture say every single person be involved they know their identity and the jury are more pronounced so you're more pronouncing the guilty no they also know the identity of every person that is involved. Ebedru Ghana speculations and spending the beba ya bobo amanfo di ne nase for no but I think that okwa ministry of power at the time na onka ministers or say senior advisor to the minister. Okay. Senior advisor to the minister. And I yawa co-conspirator 1, co-conspirator 2 and the back on nase for no. But my point is say Ma William say Abrantie di Saboni we say 2014 to 2017 the same person they engage this criminal deals the same Abrantie be managing director after engaging in this so we poach a criminal and they had better at all. But at that time, no, not that this exposé no matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. What commit a crime, no? But crime, no, not obeying who say crime, no. It doesn't matter. So, you have a duty, due diligence. And yet, is like American officials now, Mabontia Maka. Okay, so I've answered what can say. Oman government officials, some involved in this conduct. Because if you don't want to say you're criminal, we say Ghana no, but Ghana no. Say approve contract dia ma obia did you bribe 10% cut no that crime yes a crime yeah definitely but politicians say what Ghana have is a crime no it's not about what the politician think it is about the standard we are to uphold as Ghanaians over the years parliamentary bribery but the problem is that as no bar nobody pay attention to it now ya keka parliament allegations of bribery as for because emu dia no more investigating. And as some way can you ba parliament abobo no say panyan especially because the report the report is brazen in mentioning parliament and sikom wo dem mo kra san num guase $46,000 more chena when you saying what asem na wo at least something high dignified, you understand? But some of these things, about the porosity, how weak are these institutions? I'm forgetting into. Running as a form over the years, Ghana, Hono, or before crime be so influenced because some of these people are there. I will broker the deal just to ensure a particular legislation, a particular approval will be given. And to ensure parliamentary processes, ratification of documents, and as for free from some of these traces because people who are ready to finance just to make sure somebody discover the room and the monies involved are big money so they will always have it because or no the amount will later have its interest because our power deal no more can yes 370 megawatt of power na ye can do you know say another scandal will pop up because between kwanya ye fa so aye renew here in 2022 giving it 15 years lifeline abra na power we know I think that we are near from 10% kwani ye so under what consideration and at the same parliament and government officials etanasia yeah give you no 15 years lifeline
ade ye power ye nya necessary afeni asa akoye renegotiation that's extended
exactly so you see said the attitude of the politician no is almost the same thing. It is about the whole politics is a profit venture for some individuals. So for me, I think that US for you or more dear, say OSP so investigation. It doesn't matter who is involved. They need to drive details into some of these things.
But and you trust the system. Which system did you say? OSP no boy FBI no.
No, we have to. No. It's not about. I think that yes, system no names no FBI. Your friends are Yoko and Asafai. They know the names.
They know, yeah.
Because they engage with them. Abraham no cost. So I think that we need to be forceful because I just say you best stop some of these things. Because you see, Nema Bebre quiet family no I cost for parliament. So parliament by an avenue where people can easily bribe and get their way through. And this is not the first time. And this sometimes the hypocrisy right time because it's not as if we in TV that a cost would be a
you let me cry and
yes, stop some of these things. So I think we need to be very frontal in dealing with some of these things.
Mr. Kansi Mimra also.
Let me say about catastrophic prayer corruption as an advocate, no. Me say the na one global world na yasa fena nyina ye me the corruption perception index say enye say yakwache no kwa so kram say no kwa but say ya adwene no so de ka kire ye no so e na dodo na ebre dodo na no ne ya adwene ka kire ye no ebibe musa enti na efie ma mi hu so akototofe ewi abo kakra to chocolate Ego you know mkaka to biscuit no wa do house ekua unye ska no
yes ska no
eno ani ye no de e sha se ofie eko company eko PMO national level no men twe wo firi hu krono no de sha se wo school eko university from secondary to university primary school to secondary university no de akọ wiem office entina in my discussion efa ye my hu no I prioritize character over intelligence. Character. Integrity is key to the fight against corruption. You build character and integrity. Say, it's people obedient there. So, Akwawe, wait there. Men can say, no, let's say, on your no you. Ube obedient there. So, Papa, wait there. My member Bakunganchero, my Bob of Atta Mills. So, the boom my way. Start here. Can you tag one case of corruption? He chose character and integrity over everything else. Now, and I make a choice. Say, character saved yesterday's generation. And it's a phone on mobile Jumano. No, most of whom bribe this unquasi, I say, meaning, and so on the character, no, and there were brilliant people in those years. The character etum na character no be finyaba the religious bodies our tradition and our traditional authorities no the norms our cultural norms no character I don't think that obi timi bi so obi say we are so for no serious me so for and say we are crofo as obi wa ne bubefu I don't understand so we are crofo na but in all this discussion no I want to start with character. The next one is strong institutions. Ansana Obama beba Ghana abeka say you build strong institutions no na ye papa Rollins I can say we should build strong institutions and systems such that even if Satan comes to lead this country on to me your dream and catastrophic prayer or say ye entu eniam yi na ekopiem say bronsam kra no betina konya ne so kra po a oye so obe eniam ni bi mu a obehwe nichi ansana waye sa eniam we there's reality in perceptions into your character and integrity in Franco. Okay. No cry was assembly as the facts remain that there were issues of bribery. Obi the Sikebi for identity Ekodada Obi. The acts are there. News items in Kofatete, Atiaka, na say Ghana ha yenua bi a yefre no Dr. Atuguba in those days I can say atemu na yeye o Ghana judicial system there were issues with it, there were corrupt issues okaye no adeji from pay for the card o kruma and so Anas ekofa ni fidi odi yi nyama pie no yehu say sa na de yenua na eka no eyampa until the perceptions na ye was say obi ka say obi say oh adeji for you say it was perceptions and accusations alleged and nyama and so obi ye abo adwuma no epie munti on that same count no media for bebo ma boss anopa we wo ba ko danti musa no akoyi aba nti ya na me bisa say enkrofo na ye ma obusika so mo handle your national security issues no ma ye no and that agencies being Yoko BNI friend NIB CID
it's still BNI now
yeah it's not BNI
okay
how does it end say yeah near then yeah this ensem nia ekoto am can't they also be proactive say I mean I can say ecosi say the Americans have come up with their issues omako hunya many nyina but I'm not surprised enye me won
but only some we just 9 days so a 9 days trial unlike Ghana 1 year 2 years 3 years 4 years 5 years ekosa
Ghana can yem be ka no ana na ni be ha no
yeah be ka so yalefo
sa bre na ye che no pa na e be hu se na na yere nyem obewo the next 2 days sa bre na ne mame so yare dadem e no no ankasa so de ye ne ya sa bre na ya che no in this 9 days no e na ye be kokot a ne lawyer so enya bre emma and sanyama we na e na sa bre 9 days no a lawyer ba ko be jem the Listowel no take you over
okay
so I told you it's an organized crime in our situation and the main issues of this matter the papa yake I mean my brother said it started 2014 in 2017 year king that's the period America for ya hwemu pam o mawi o masem you na assembly akuni say ministries are involved
yeah
parliament ejinemu e ma parliament o mo hye mra no efie na ebe hye mra na fi mu na nkasa no e o na fi na kogu no bebi ayeye say o mo nkodwin bibia wo mai no mo hye mra na mfa bu mai no e ho na efi no akopie no
bebi e ho ne kowie
betwa so ho na figures na o ma expose no untimi nsesa no
yeah
yes confusing crowd betwa to then in 2021 what we remember 2021 no ade na na say capacity no e bro so na it was a full matter no
yeah
na sample renewing for 15 years me my advice they say OSP or see what na wa share duma bi a oye onto aso nye duma Yoko and Shraj any BNI support this work. I've always proposed say Kame if I had my way Shraj Yoko any OSP office no I'll merge it into one institution like we did for the GRE when you merge Internal Revenue Service any customs any omunyabo mubako na omujuma no enye clear man
okay
now same way I see at all costs we have to name and shame
okay
in this process of punitive measures no yeah those money should be collected ya nya kra ya fanko see one primary school na ya fa di bi nto so no bi bisa say I di we o say ye fro big don ko a ya na obisa say adentia no ma kire odentia
okay
na ye hu say hall of shame no so yam say zame me say umbo ame my call for the hall of shame edin we mu no e say okọ ye museum ho a let Taliban ya engraving name no that these are criminals
okay my member Listowel
so Nana from where he left
yeah
say yeah rise Ghana demonstration on Ken Ofori Atta extradition na yejina American embassy anim ho and minya call from aban mu pani bi ho na or suggested to me say Listowel ade amoye ahwe no betimi aya ma Ken Ofori Atta mawo and I mebusa ni say how o say lawyer bi a friend say the ye no kura bema America for adwen say Ken Ofori Atta no oba ebe ni bibi na say how America now no to democracy I say why democracy over 200 years no protest a weaponized your friend is saying a programmer and obetimi lead to say your protest na yes or mama Ken Ofori Atta magana no e be say no what say am say my men kan okrenche no o penny o am say so mudi agro no ma fa Ken Ofori Atta magana and this is what they be you because you are tell the ekoso nyina and you are the same people who watered down the events and lead to the extradition of Ken Ofori Atta. And I've said same to some other people. Even in the case of Ayeni, I have said it publicly. Sir, the suspicion is that Ken Ofori Atta ba obeba Ghana hano and peniphobi esipeg and person Ken Ofori Atta beba. Now I have always signed this word of caution to them, say, Muntimi ma Ken Ofori Atta ntina mo ni mu nwase because me did this more integrity. Unless say money na ko chase Kennedy. But
this same dey okay. Na age akọ America ekọ back.
Oh, the bi nua me kire wade bi ye. And be say my way ekọ no manu makro. Ken Ofori Atta nti na OSP ye dini ko gina court ye say OSP kro ni authorization Ken Ofori Atta. On this sledge. Obi atimia from Mexico $94 million. Sledge o. Sledge now na miss lego no I want to talk as bebrebe now na say komo bebrebe no sa sledge no $94 million I
evidence way.
What are you talking about? This is public knowledge. Go to the OSP page and see what is there. $94 million also the Koto gold. I and when the OSP kwa shemo you say ayeni adamfo no it came publicly. And until OSP no crowd authorization, one Supreme Court ruling no. What kind?
Okay, so how does this one link to the topic I hear discussing?
Corruption related offense. Now unim. Meka ko si Jeminu ya kan ye iso. Except say at some point many nya on the institutions of anti-corruption and corruption related Many nya say the more now work for no the more now will be institutions. Yes, I can because Ghana Police Service, Immigration, Fire Service, as one institution. Chrono, it comes in several forms. And until Osha Bibi to say Shraja, a institution or share also Commission for Human Rights and Administrative Justice. Human rights near one. Administrative justice is number 2. Now, administrative justice, there is corruption in there. Breach of administrative your friend is saying processes no lead to corruption and untina shrad na adwuma ebiom okoyi okwa say yade sa to me no dey share corruption and corruption related offenses no e dey akoma OSP and yes wono no dey any say fa ne say institutional thefts ne nyoma no obetumi akom yoko organized crime and na yama OSP so to me say ono the corruption and corruption related offenses no on making sure say obekye akronfo and yama CID Ghana Police Service susu to me say ono susu betimi a prosecution meboa so if Attorney General etimi begina bedwam Deputy Attorney General begina bedwam say high court bi say your friend say OSP need authorization now your lawyer ni that day I bowed my head down in shame. And I critiqued it. And I said, be a mechanic, and if you play my video, it is as if say me a Supreme Court judge. When you back when free, I said judge in the class on him law. And it was a disgrace to the Attorney General and Minister for Justice. A big disgrace. Say court to be a team order say Kwaje dockets and OSP because when we say what a check from for look, there be a many you say that Benum Kontokwa say. Senkomu kan djuma omo ye wo OSP office wa ana enye se omu suro ana say politics abeba bebemu ana omo ye ens osi omo di ose ye yo aka bia omo ya che de ye mu bi ye ni de ekoso yeah because of how we follow events yetimi hu say adie we na kise gabe no mo ye investigation we no mo ye na say ya omo ko your friend is saying oil firm bi e wotema now oi I don't man ransack office who kwache kronfa ye ne den o ko che konfa adura no adura o konfa ho fe pa bra ne enko
we bu po maka chen se me ba
konfa ho fe pa obi bo micro no wo ko che no wo se eni kwan se oko in that Rambo style fine ebi wo anye
okay
but say ehwe enioma ekoso wo ma we a akwai se politicians no ena omo no aform a syndicate now baby aye kwabra asoman no omafo ani tia eba mu ne say akwai bibi to say these two political parties have formed a syndicate. Scratch my back and I'll scratch your back. It's a dangerous grounds. Enunti ena Ken Ofori Atta asenu da bia me betre studio ha me refi said dey kura me pese me boso. Now to the substantive na mawie. Edi asem ne yeka aksa me boa. So between Obia ono ye confrontatry amwa owo institution bi mu a ono ne allegations ne yeka ho asem so ama aban mu mpanifo bi sika wo. Which allegations I want them to scrutinize. I want OSP to do much work into it to ascertain whether or not asema akwa ne kan no ewo emudie
o kan yes say
there be a email
asema email send ye nkitawudie
no na wana na edie woni ne co-conspirator na edi sankita ho meboa mama nkita ho bia ma say o ma opani kodo mensa 1 cedi
okay
it as it stands now I was here hwehwem say I am passe Ninkita Hudia no so discare come obi na mpa o discare ma nana.
Okay.
Because Oba Parliament of Ghana D and is an institution yentimi nhwe say obi di allegation be to parliament so wa bra yan hwehwem.
Abo ministry.
Wabo ministry di and at that time na minister wo ho. Keti ha mo na bi tie nkomo na fe kwa na de ho kra sai me.
Sifo wom.
Oh, all these things say yan hwehwem a ye on my way ani mo nyam wo fom.
Yeah.
And on a corruption perception index. When you are perceived to be corrupt as a state, investor crampo ma.
Yeah.
Because mu say mu no mu yankophobia, mu gya dem diansa no ye adwuma, ahwe adwuma na me be ye no kra no, mu benya ho mfaso so. Mu sa be djuma dem.
Ghana nado, iboni bi ye say obi. Investor bi no.
Na ma ye transi ye kana nado asem a. Na me nu ebusa say. Na me nu ebusa say, eye den na obi a waye boni waye dream say. Na Akufo Addo ko appointed ne say won konkoye eye aban mu nipa. Now can you be appointed when you are not a criminal and Akufo Addo?
Oh, but you obi a. Listo ye ke for me si ma pacho.
You say a catedodo and a catebetem and a sen catedodo me boa. Majority of them in this instance are criminals. Majority of them. Ministry bi enu awanya bone. Na pose say wona osori a odi atrenchie sa bia na yoko na po wona. Napo miami nua napo ona adentia yesi utirim fa ya chana ma wonku enti no se Akufo Addo be appointi wa o appointi wo bia na ko Ken Ofori Atta no save ni sika wo tax save ma be finance minister ewi ase na MPs kro mu say no we dia Ken abroso dodo ye die nyina di 80% of them.
Okay.
Oh, enti no except you are a criminal, except you are corrupt, Akufo Addo will not appoint you as minister or as even a CEO. What probably obey work and pay. Now this I work and pay no. When you work, how do you pay?
Okay.
And you know, a idea was in that 8 years and the Akufo Addo no. So by way see obey ye idea boa man for now I him from day one all the appointments, all the appointees. Okay. Offices. Okay. Now your friend be fiscal decentralization. What you analysis car omoji ye baby o see o this kind of call ye any baby e sika na kodru omonya audit national audit ni ehu sika omoji all years now mo be 8 years no sika omoji any the omo so this kind of ye nyina me see they can't account for 10% of that money. Okay. Enti no
me da say
obi adi for till you say you are not guilty until you are proved guilty. Okay. So you say you are guilty until you are proved innocent.
1 minute. Why?
Yeah. You are guilty until you are proved innocent.
What do you 1 minute?
So I think that 1 minute. Yeah,
1 minute.
That issue we quite fast we back out to say the company in question on one the compliance unit and a due diligence review and on that all these conspiracies and so it took somebody to make a step.
Yeah.
And I cover Sanema way in Aba. You see, Ghana is highly complicit in some of this criminal stuff because Yahano, in terms of oversight responsibility, is so weak to the extent that I was reading some document between 2017 to 2015. Sika Abakroma through romance scam, fraud, and as for more than $300 million. Na Sika no yanchira ngu adakam near the funds so by you. They all went through the financial system. And about Kroma say, and if there's a due diligence buying, and when it comes to some of these things. Now we are complaining some of these young guys are making money now for Obi Betimiatana, I receive $100 million or no on tonsment. I first a poultry farm crowd, and no serious country was sit aloof and what Obi besides identity US, Ghana for comply with the US. Ghana will comply because the nation is complicit, because no serious nation will sit down and allow some of these monies to just come in, and it's our weakness, and our criticism of these things, and the institutional involvement. And are you aware that even Greco is involved in this scandal? Oh, baby, and there's some Greco officials, so ECG. So it's a whole lot of conspiracy chain. I think, sir. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission said for and almost it that civil action against him. See our second Ghana. Yes, I was second, but ye would do a mess at Thompson. You would do how much 1 minute, a dear man on mobile. A dear man, a mess at 1 minute.
I said, me, I kind of a fair fee. Mr. Atemba Quebec, clear communication. This year, yes, so your baby, and pay actually the same way. I wish that you be a very good communication around this whole thing. Na platforms are no the same information around it. Yeah, you spread information wrong. Yeah, now of course you're politicizing. Yes, I don't for the draw any interest view. Now obey you if you. But these are issues. See, I'm character over just intelligence. I say you build the character. Say, oh mine is buying, usunu buying. Yeah, me say, ubon say could do baby. So perception I catch you say, obia didn't say. O man way for no omundi no kre no obi si wa on ma mebie eduma e wo kuro mu biom no so e wo ho yesa so wone a ye bo se ofriga na pe na de ni mienu na eden e hwe no nti mu ma hwe ni yie obi wa obeka se wo de untu kwan so a onam wa ukuro mu krapo obi ba o se ngrofo we yen hwe obi munya me enkoya salata fo atiriba yes mu ma fa adewe character building no woman to so everybody ye boga na nipa say o we mu pass we nipa woman fa no over ahunya say these people are wealthy and yeah no our wealth should be created through character and good and hard work.
Nana, briefly, for a while now I've been following
30 seconds.
Oh, the entire American Honorable Harun Idris Asem no. Oh, National Teaching Council. National Teaching Council. Oman peni aya appointment no. Obi da so te ho.
Okay.
Akwebia a friend Christian Adepoku.
Christian Adepoku, yeah. Former Nagrats.
Christian Adepoku no. So be a kind.
Yeah.
Even in the run up to the 2024 election. Odimu ki kan sem hunu kire jo Mahama P. Ene oda so te ho.
Na say tienyi na di.
Tienyi na di. One enti jo Mahama ba na ko se Haruna Edusu twen. Ya po ya point obi. Ya say twen. Na wo Haruna twen na former minister no on tena ho till now ekebe yode.
Okay.
Be careful.
Na police to.
There are 2 deputies akọ omo ye adwuma. But on no dey so te ho. Omo charge teachers no mo kwa license exam so. Enya jo Mahama no aka say license exam betwam.
So that's so ho.
I'm trying to be January 5th February.
Wow.
In the coming days, I'm going to another license exam because I'm charging to teacher via 550 cedis.
No, must have failed.
No, it's a real normal discount. No, Marco Chardy.
And you and I.
No, I didn't know your mama promising that as well.
Okay.
Look, the incompetence is getting to a sky where we must nip it because you're here. I bet to say, and your friend is saying, your
time is up.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.